it's that time of the month again. We are going to unbox a lot of PR packages together and there will be a giveaway at the end of it for you guys. Let's go. What is in here? Let's unbox. Okay, first up we have, this is from the Little Farm Co. Now I have to tell you guys, I did not even realize that I have had a whole jar of their aam ka achar before this PR package arrived. Okay, so the other day I finished, I just randomly ordered pickle. You guys know I'm a big achar lover and I have a lot of achars. I finished the mango pickle ka jar, and before I was about to put the jar, throw the jar out, I was like, oh, I should see this company. I really like their achars. And cha-cha-da-da, they've sent me a package. I hope there's mango achar because I didn't order anymore. Cha-cha-da-da. Food packages are actually my favorite kind of packages. And they have taken a moment to get my whole name into this. I love you guys. Nobody calls me Scherezade actually except Weber and one of my closest friends. Thank you Niharika and Aditya, I appreciate this. And there are a lot of jars in here. What do we have? Okay. Ta-ta-da-da. Beautifully packaged, I must say. They are all glass bottles and nothing is broken. Okay, I'm going to remove them all and place them here so you can see what we have. Smooth. Okay, first up we have some forest honey which looks pretty good. Then we have some chili garlic oil. Again, looks very good. The garlic pickle. Now this is what I'm very tempted to try. I am a big garlic pickle lover. I haven't tried theirs, but I love garlic pickle. More garlic pickle. Do we have two? Thanks guys. And the mango pickle. Okay, this is really good. I tried this, finished a jar. This will be my second jar. And last but not the least, we have red chili pickle. All my favorites. I have to tell you, red chili pickle, mango pickle, and garlic pickle are actually my favorite pickles. I also like a ginger pickle. So thank you guys. I can't wait to try all of this. Up next, we have this guy. What is in here? Oh, that was very badly executed. I barely made a dent in it. I think there's a tote bag, which is always nice. Ta-ta-da-da. Ooh, what do we have here? Is this coffee? It's a cute little tote. Okay. Getting everything out first. We have a lovely tote. We have a t-shirt. I have to tell you, I've forgotten my unboxing scissors today and that has thrown me off. This cutter is not working for me. But we will get by. Already know this package is going to be stolen by my husband, but since you and I are both here, at least let me just show it to you guys because this is the last time I will be using it as well. Okay, so this is Uniqlo into Blue Tokai. How cool! I did not know that there was a Uniqlo into Blue Tokai collab. There's a t-shirt, there's a tote bag, there's this really cool mug, and of course we have some easy pour coffee, chocolate. Again, you're welcome, Vaibhav. And thank you guys. Something from Biodance, all the way from my second favorite country after India, Korea. I know because I had to do my KYC for this package. Okay, so this is from Biodance. I'm very excited. They have sent a happy Holi package all the way from Korea. Yes, it's legit, guys. So I have not opened this package in a while. I've been waiting for my unboxings like I do, like a good girl. I try to unbox all of them together just because it's more fun, right? Ooh, okay, what do we have? My favorite color is the one thing. I have never seen like orange gulal, but it looks so good. Oh my god. Very tempted to just like, not on my face, on someone else's, but what do we have? Okay, so let's pull everything out. Very excited. You guys know K-beauty really excites me. Just gonna pull everything out and then show you what I have, okay? Happy Holi to our beloved creator from Korea to your doorstep. See, I told you it's come from Korea. This is really sweet, guys. Thank you. What do we have? Okay, so there's a lot of like pre-Holi rituals and prep, and oh, this was like a Holi kit. So post and pre-Holi. I appreciate all the products, guys. I didn't play any Holi this year, so I will be enjoying them now. Biodance collagen mask is unreal. Okay, this is so good. I love this. We also have a cleansing oil, a cleansing foam, perfect timing. Just finished my cleanser, a little pouch, some color which I will be throwing on someone, and toner pads, another favorite. I'm very excited to try all of this. Thanks, guys. What do we have here? I feel like I could become a professional package opener. The amount of packages that I have opened over the last decade. What do we have here? Okay, so this is from Dermafique. This is their anti-acne situation or spot treatment. What do we have? Let's open it. Yeah, this is a spot corrector. I was right. So they have a spot treatment, which is interesting. I want to try this. I actually really only use spot treatments a lot when I have acne because I don't get like active acne a lot. It's just usually a pimple here, a pimple here. So I will try this and review it for you guys if you want. But thanks, guys. What do we have in here? I actually like packages that are rattly, if you know what I mean. Okay, this Jhatak pink. I'm getting a glimpse of pink and I'm thinking benefit. I'm probably going to be right, I know that, because benefit is usually always a part of my unboxings. But let's see. What's the bet? Comment right now and tell me, am I right or wrong? Am I right or wrong? I feel like it's a gender reveal, you know, when you're like trying to be like, do I see it? Do I know it? Is it a girl? Is it a boy? Am I right? Am I wrong? Ladies and gentlemen, I'm a Bene babe. I know how Benefit operates from the inside, okay? Their packaging is always so amazing and so beautiful. Like, look at this, it's like a work of art. Ooh, okay, so these are their new juice sticks, which I have been dying to try. And I have like a bunch of them. There's also the liquid blush. Okay, this I think we can do like a full-blown review, guys. Let me know in the comments if you guys want a review of this, because I so badly want to try these. Like, oh my god, like if my hands were not dirty right now, I would try them. Maybe I'll open one just to see. But oof, oof, oof. Look at the colors, man. This, okay. 10 on 10 for packaging, I have to say that. Even here, like everything looks so cool. This has caught my eye the most. This is the shade Chilli. And I'm just going to open it to show you guys what it's like. Ooh, okay, I like this. It has a very Korean K-beauty feel, you know, like the K-beauty tints do a lot of these kind of quirky packaging bits, which is really nice. And a really nice big brush and applicator, I guess, because it's more of a blush than it is for lips. I'm gonna just do a little dot on my hand. Actually, no, my hand's dirty. I don't want to ruin the wand. Sorry, guys. We'll have to wait for the review video. Abhi ke liye just feast your eyes, look at it, enjoy it. But I ain't touching it and ruining it. All the kitanos from all the packages will come onto my blush, and I'm not going to allow that. Look at this. Such cool packaging. Love it. So it's really like a jelly-like consistency, and there's a full shine happening, and it's just really pretty. Okay, I want to do like a full review. Let me know in the comments, please, and say, yes, Sherry, we want the review, because I'm very tempted to do this. Thank you, guys. Okay, this next one is from P-Tal, and I think I know what this is. I mean, not what the item is, but this is the Natasha Gandhi collab with them. I saw her video and it was so wholesome and so amazing of how she was using this brand and how now they are collaborating together, and I'm very excited to see what they've sent me, because it comes highly recommended and she always has lovely things to say about it, and it's a giant box. Okay, what do we have here? Yes, I was right. So happy. I love wholesome creator collabs like this, you know, when there's an actual synergy with the brand and a creator and then there's a story. This is so beautiful. Like, I am obsessed. Wow. That is lovely. I don't really cook, but this makes me want to cook. Thank you, Natasha. Thank you, P-Tal. Then we have something from another one of my favorites, Clinique. What do we have here? Okay, so there's obviously my favorite Moisture Surge, the serum and the cream, which is really, really nice. What is this? Oh, this is one of those boards which you can write with, and there's the markers. Ooh, okay, I'm very excited. Can't wait to add this in somewhere. I've actually been seeing a lot of these online and I wanted to get one of them. So yeah, this is going to be a new lamp by my bedside where I write notes to myself. Thanks, guys. What do we have here? Something from Inde. This is, I think, their new lip thingamajig, I'm guessing. Yeah, I think this is lip thingamajig that I was talking about, yes. This is the new Dewy lip treatment, I think in a new shade, like a pink shade, and it has like a little charm which you can add to your bag, which is perfect for someone like me because you guys know I'm a bit charm crazy. I've loved all their balms so far, so I'm pretty sure I will love this as well, and it's perfect. Like, I'm just gonna hang it on my bag. Thanks, guys. What do we have here? Is it a product? I think so. This is a brand that I have not used before. Let's not break it. It is a body serum. Okay, this looks interesting. I love the color. It's a nice deep purple. Love the color and the packaging. Can't wait to try this. Thank you. This one says fragile, so I am gonna be careful with it. What do we have here? Oh, yes! I know what this is. This is from a brand called Lovedwell, and they reached out to me on Instagram asking me if they can send me some stuff, and their stuff looked beautiful, so I'm very excited for this. I think it's going to be some maybe crockery and cutlery, or at least that's what I saw on their Instagram. I'm going to open everything and show it to you, and I'm going to avoid getting any of the packaging over here. It's all fallen. No. Why do we do this to ourselves? Okay. Ooh, okay, so we definitely have some plates, I think. I like the suspense and the reveal, like even for myself, because I don't know what it is, you know what I mean? Makes me feel like I always watch those gender reveal videos, as I said, where people are like digging that glass into the cake, and I'm in my head guessing, is it blue, is it pink, is it blue, is it pink? That's the kind of feeling I have at times like this when I don't know what to expect, and I'm hoping you have as well. Ta-ta-da-da! Here we go. Let's make this more fun. We will do them like a proper reveal. Okay. Clearly, I have a lot of time today, guys. I don't know what I'm doing. Okay. Ta-ta-da-da! Ooh! Oh my god. Okay, so these are really pretty. If you know me and you follow me on Instagram, you know that I like to eat in like a bit of a like a pasta dish like this, or a ramen bowl which is bigger. So this is perfect for my like everyday meals, and it's just so beautiful. Like, look at this. Thank you, guys. This next guy is from The Ordinary. What do we have here? Okay, so we have one product. Oh, this is their sunscreen. Okay. I actually can't wait to try this because you guys know I've become a bit of a sunscreen junkie after not using any sunscreen at all. Yeah, this looks really interesting. If you guys want a review, let me know. Thanks, guys. Now, this beauty is from Nykaa. I actually love packages like this because they are so useful. Like when I do giveaways, I can put everything into it and give you, or I can keep this for myself. I actually love to store my jewelry like this more than my products. Ooh, this is a fragrance. Ooh, what do we have here? Oh, there are 3. Okay. Okay, guys, already telling you I will add one of these into the giveaway. Making a promise. 3 hai to main 2 rakh lungi, aapko 1 2 दूंगी. But the packaging is beautiful. The bottles are stunning. Like, look at these. Just gonna do a quick spritz. What do we have? We have, okay, so there's a romantic one, a bold one, and a magnetic one. The one I have right now is the magnetic one. Let us spray. Smells pretty good. I actually really like this. Like, I'm happy with the packaging, and I'm really happy that Nykaa is doing everything and taking things to the next level. Like, they were doing more everyday fragrances and stuff, and this is definitely more luxe and high-end than, you know, what I've seen earlier. Very cool looking. Smells so good. Okay, got one on each wrist and one on the neck. Chalo. Okay, this is my favorite, the gold one, which is what? Bold. That's me. Thanks, guys. Love them. Okay, they smell really, really good. I don't know what these are priced at, but these look great, they smell great, and I'm very excited for this. And last but not the least, we have another beautiful package from Bobbi Brown, and this is what I'm going to use to store all my makeup. Guys, very excited. There's a little sponge. This is their Weightless Skin Foundation in the shade. What have they sent me? They sent me beige, which I hopefully will be the right shade. I will try it and see. I used Bobbi Brown foundation years ago when I used to wear a lot more makeup than I do today, and they have some of the best foundations ever. The color matches are beautiful. They're really light, and I feel like they're worth the price, you know. So yeah, I can't wait to try this. I really hope the shade is my shade. Otherwise, we will get the right shade. And also let me know if you want me to do a review. Thanks, guys. So guys, those were all the packages that I had to open today. As I do in these videos, as you've seen, as part of my 26 for 2026, we do a giveaway with every PR package unboxing. This giveaway will have one of the Nykaa perfumes from today's video and a bunch of other products from other PR unboxings. For one lucky winner, check the description, enter, and it's just my little way of saying thank you, guys, and for you to unbox with me also, because I feel like I get all this joy with unboxing. You should get it too. So the earlier 2 winners have been announced already, so if you haven't seen, go check there, and if you didn't win, you have a chance to win now. So if you liked the video, give it a thumbs up, and thank you to all the brands that sent me amazing things. See you soon. Bye. So I'm just unboxing, and so is everybody else in the house. Ma'am is having a field day with this, and Sir has worn my new t-shirt.
My new t-shirt.